Hello, let me show you all controls that you can use on your AirPods free. So it actually works the same for the right and the left AirPod. It doesn't matter which one you are gonna use. So first of all, we can pause music by clicking once on the sensor. When you tap on it second time, you can play. If you want to turn next song, you have to quickly double tap on the sensor. If you want to go back to this song, so we were playing like The Weeknd Starboy, so triple tap. Tap 3 times. There we go. You can also mute and unmute while making the phone call. So when you are on the phone call and you want to mute the microphone, you have to press once. If you want to unmute, also you have to press once. If you want to end call, you have to press twice. And if you want to answer the call, you will have to click once when there's the call on the way. Of course, right now I'm switching between this media, but if there's like call on the way, or if you are in the call, then you will be able to use these calls gestures. And it works on the Android and it works also on iOS.